say there is no back pain and no neck pain. And then you need to explain the patient before you do the test. So this is a provoking test. What you need to explain during this test, the possibility for you to have dizziness, vertigo, nausea, vomiting is very high. So you need to make sure to prevent nothing bad or lasting something. Alright, so this is a dissolvite test. The right dissolvite test. You need to make sure you are on the right side because you want to visualize patient's eye very clearly. So first, you need to turn patient neck like this to the right and down, 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 down. This is very important. You have to make sure the neck's extension, which is downward, which is more than 45 degrees. And observe the eye for 20 seconds. Okay. And wait. And up. That's all. So this is right. And for the left, you need to turn and shift to the other side. Then, okay, ask the patient to turn their neck something like this to the left and down. So this is left dissolvite test. Downward and wait. And see. Alright, there is no nystagmus, no nausea, and no vomiting. And that's all. You need to give our patient again and just wait.